What's up, guys? We're back with another edition of the Joe Riley Factor. Last week we tore into my brother-in-law's 1992 Land Rover Defender 110. This week we're back on the Chevelle. We're going to try and get the motor pulled. We're going to get it cleaned up, pressure washed. We're also going to paint it. So we got a lot to do today. Let's get this motor pulled. Let's get her cleaned up. Let's go to work. Alright guys, I got the motor pulled out of the Chevelle a couple days ago. I actually went ahead and took it outside. I gave it a good pressure washing. So after I got the motor pressure washed, I actually got it back inside, got it on an engine stand, and as you can see, it's sitting a little crooked because the engine stand's actually homemade, but that's okay. It's going to work for what we're doing for it right now. I went ahead and I removed the entire front pulley system, the fan, the water pump, all that good stuff. I also went along and removed the carburetor and some other little here's and there's. I also went ahead and masked off the valve covers and a few other open ports here and there. We're actually getting ready to paint the motor. Overall, the motor's in pretty good shape. It is a budget build, so we're not going to have time or the finances to go ahead and tear into it and do a full rebuild. So for right now, we're just doing a DuPont overhaul, as they call it. But I want to talk to you guys real quick about an important aspect of any car restoration, and that's tagging and bagging. As you can see, I got my coffee can here. I put 69 Chevelle on it. I can't express to you guys enough how important this is in any car restoration. It'll save you so much time and headache later when you go to put the car back together. I also make a little inventory list on the side of the coffee can. That way I know exactly what's in here. So when I go to put the car back together, I can just grab the bolts out of the Ziploc bags, and it'll save you so much time and BS for later. But for now, like I said, the motor's pretty much masked off, ready to go. We're going to mix up some 2K epoxy primer sealer. We're going to spray that on first. We're going to let it cure for about 20 or 30 minutes. And once the epoxy primer is sealed on, we're going to go ahead and lay on some single stage Hugger orange paint. All right, let's get some paint on this bad boy. Alright guys, as you can see, the motor came out amazing. It's got a nice glossy finish to it. I'm very pleased with the final product. The single stage Hugger orange really came out nice. It's going to look really great sitting in the engine bay. I'm going to finish polishing up these valve covers here, and then I'm going to call it a day. But for right now guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my Instagram and my TikTok page for more progress on the Chevelle and other projects. Until next time guys, take care.